I just got back from Kota Kinabalu and now I've checked in at Bay Resort Condominium in Miri. So this is my favorite unit on Airbnb here at Bay Condominium Resort. The reason why, because it has a very simple design, which I really like. It feels like home. And like usual, I am going to give you guys a room tour. So a little bit of information about Bay Resort Condominium. There are 3 towers overall. We have one called Diamond Tower, and then we have Pearl Tower, the one that I'm staying in. And then the other one is, I forgot. We have Diamond, we have Pearl, and what's the other one? Okay, never mind, I forgot about it. Alright, so here is the entrance, the main door, and then here is the kitchen. We have oven, fridge, and then sink with hot water. And then outside, as you can see here, we have washing machine, we have dryer. Okay, I'm a bit shaky, sorry. And then here is the dinner table. And then let's go to the first room. So this is the first room. There is a direct sea view from this room. Alright, and then you have like a mini balcony, and down there you can see the pool. And let's go to the next room. This is my room. Okay, this is a master bedroom, so it's the largest room among 3 of all of the rooms, and with a sea view as well. Alright, so this is my bed. So it's quite spacious, and it has an ensuite bathroom. Oh yeah. Let me turn on the lights. Has an ensuite bathroom with shower. And let's go to the third room. So this is the third room. It has a slight view of the sea as well. Hello? And then toilet over here. And let's go to the living room. So this is a very cozy living room. We have like this small table here. And then again, sea view. We have huge television. And that's all, I think. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. I think there is another toilet at the back just now. Let me see. Yeah. Exactly, there's another toilet at the back. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the balcony. Okay, and here is the mini balcony. It's actually connected to the one in the room. You can go out here. This direct view of sea, and then you can see the pool down there. So here is the room from the outside. Let's close this door. And here is the balcony. This is a bigger one. Wait. Alright. It's very windy outside. And the view of the sea. And this side actually there is a KFC outlet that side, Pizza Hut. There's actually a supermarket down there, but I'm not sure whether it's still open or not. Squeeze over here. Very windy day. Let's get back in. Close this, that is done, and now I'll get to the chicken. Let's take the rendang, the coconut milk, and then we have turmeric leaves here. Slice it. That's all. Oh yeah, I forgot the rice. Let's proceed to the rice. So I took out the rice from this pouch. It actually needs to be cooked in this pouch, but I took it out because I want to eat a real rice. Because if you cook it in here, it will turn out to be like a compressed rice. It's like sticky rice, but it's actually not sticky rice. But the rice itself actually has a mix of sticky rice, I noticed. It's very white grain. It's the sticky rice. So if you cook it in a pouch, it will come out like this, but I don't want that. I want to eat.